Hello and good afternoon, class. My name is Louis Montserrat, and in this video I will demonstrate my understanding of the unit testing and show how I understand or integrate the unit 5 into my Java development workflow using Maven. The goal for the assignment for this week is to demonstrate that unit testing is properly configured and functioning as expected, similar to what will be required in a real-world development environment. So here we go. So for this unit testing is more like the process of testing small individual parts of an application, such as a method of classes, to make sure that they behave as expected. For this project itself, I did a really simple Java to-do list. I divided in 4 different classes. I have the app.java, the main Java, the to-do list Java, and the to-do list test Java. And here I have my Maven integrated as well, so I am able to run it with. So this project is managed using Maven, which handles dependencies and build automations. And for example, in the to-do list test, the Java, which contains unit tests written using the unit 5, as you may see, we have what is called the instances, the display of the header, add several tasks such as, I'm starting for C 4802, run unit test, and submit assignment number 3. Of course, it displays all the current items. I remove the second item and displays the updates list after, and indicates the demo after it's done. Each test focuses on a single behavior of the to-do list class, such as adding items, trimming, white space, deleting items, and handling handling invalid input. For example, this check validates item that is added recently, and the test uses assert throws. So for example, if we go to the to-do list, we have, for example, those are my constructors, my internals. Here in this delete item void, it deletes the item using a first base index. And this is my main. So for the main, this class serves as the entry point of the to-do list application and demonstrates on how to do list class works during the formal execution. Note, unit testing is handled separately using unit 5. This class exists only to show the application in action. And if we go for the app, so for this class, it serves as a simple demo runner for the to-do list application. It is not meant for testing. Instead, it demonstrates on how the to-do list class works during normal program execution. And this file is useful for showing the application in action alongside the unit test in presentation. So if we want to run it, let's say from the main, and I want to use the terminal, I want to make sure my Maven is clean. There you go. Build success. So now, after I run and the unit test using Maven from the command line, this demonstrates that the unit testing is fully integrated into my workflow, not just inside of the IDE. And as we can see, the Maven successfully runs the unit test, and all these 7 tests passed with 0 failures. As you may see, test run 7, failure 0, error 0, and escape 0. So once it's done, I run this. So right here, current task 3 is starting for the CE in 4802, run unit test, and submit assignment 3. So as you may see, this demonstrates that the application runs correctly and while also being protected by the unit test. So to wrap this up, This project demonstrated my understanding for the unit testing, why it is important, and how it can be integrated into real development workflow using Maven and Unit 5. I hope this was interesting for you all, that you found it useful, and I catch you up on the next time. Have a nice one, class.